Hello everybody, just wanted to do a quick video for a newly installed hitch that I've done myself on my 2017 RAV4 SE Hybrid. So this is a product that I got off of eTrailer, and I went with the Curt model. I know there's a few other models as well, but based on the reviews and based on how this fits and kind of give it a lower profile, almost invisible type of look, I went with this option with Curt, and I'm very happy with it. It took me about 30 minutes to install this, so very straightforward. eTrailer has a great video on how to install it, so you definitely want to watch that. But this review would kind of tell you how happy I am and give you an idea what this looks like once it's installed. So once again, very clean, and I'm very happy with this. Okay, now I do want to let you know there are some tools that you need, so I'll walk over here. And once again, the video does a great job as far as telling you how to remove these items. One of the brackets that you need to remove off of the muffler, specifically you're going to need to use a 12mm socket for that. And then you need to remove these bolts, and then this housing. Once again, the video does a great job. You would just go ahead and remove these two clips using just simple, very small pliers. And then there's a plastic nut that runs off of that, and you would use, let's see, a 10mm socket to use that as well. And then to tighten the bolts in, that would be a 19mm wrench you would need, and then you torque it down, and I believe it's 80 pounds, so refer to the manual, but I believe it's 80 foot-pounds for that as well. But the main thing though, that at least I want to add value to this, is when you're looking to do this, right, you definitely want to look at the video that eTrailer has. But it seems like the biggest challenge is how do you do this on your without any assistance. And the part that at least I want to give some value to everything is that what I found is that if you have these ramps at home that you use, maybe you use for changing your own oil, for example, if you get a pair of these ramps and slide it in like that, then it does a terrific job in terms of balancing the hitch. It's not exactly the same elevation, but it's enough for you to get underneath and install or hand turn the bolts to get it in place. So I would say the best value that I can bring to you with regards to how to install the hitch on the RAV4 SE would be follow the instructions that eTrailer has as far as their video. It's very straightforward. I did it in 30 minutes, and I'm not that handy, but I was able to do it. And then the other challenge is, how do we do this on your own? Because the hitch is actually very heavy, and so I found the best way is to get a couple of these plastic ramps. Most of you have it already, and you would just rest the hitch on that and just get underneath, and it's enough for you to angle in and start the bolts by hand tightening it and installing it. It took me just about 30 minutes. Alright, so I hope that gives you enough confidence in installing this yourself. It was very easy.